Okay guys, today's topic or lesson is light. Okay, this is very important lesson in both RBC and CBSE. Okay, so first our question is, what is light? Okay, so light is a kind of energy. Light is a kind of energy. Okay, natural source of light is the sun. Okay, students, the sun is the only natural source of light in our solar system. And other stars are also, but they are so far. Okay. Now, characters of light. Okay, light is a kind of energy. Now, there are some characters which light has. First, light travels in a straight line like this, in a straight line. Okay, light travels in different mediums. Different mediums. It may be solid, liquid, or gaseous. Solid, you can say transparent glass. Liquid, it may be water, and gaseous medium is air. Okay, light travels in these mediums. Highest speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, this is the highest. Now we are discussing nature of light. Okay, now we all know that light is an energy and it comes from the sun. Natural source of light is the sun and the other stars. Okay, now what is the nature of light? According to many scientists, the light has different nature. First, according to Newton, light is emitted in the form of small particles called corpuscles. Okay, according to Planck, light is emitted in the form of tiny energy bundles. Tiny energy bundles called quanta. Okay, now according to Einstein, according to Einstein, light is emitted in the form of small particles called photon particles. Okay, photon particles. So we can see that light has a particulate nature. It travels in the form of particles, emitted in the form of particles, small particles. Okay. Now, according to Maxwell, light propagates in the form of wave, like this wave. Okay, so light has wave nature also. According to de Broglie, light has dual nature, means double nature. One is particulate nature and second is wave nature. So light has both particle and wave nature. It is called dual nature. Okay.